Today we have a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500, 13,900 miles, clean AutoCheck, comes with balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. First thing you notice is the nice chrome trim around the grille with the big plastic grille opening. Got your GMC badging. Got your chrome front bumper with dual tow hooks. Have your high definition headlighting with the LED. Bring you around the side, you will see that you have a 17-inch chrome wheel, and that is mounted with Bridgestone dual tires, and all but new tires. Not much wear on those at all. You will see the badging on the fender. Sierra 4x4, of course. It does have the full-length chrome Aries running boards. Step tubes, I guess you would call them. Look at the interior, you'll see it does have the gray cloth seating. It has the split bucket seats with the fold down center console. It does have the black plastic flooring, so real easy to clean if you happen to get dirt or something in there. Pretty easy cleanup. Show you the back. See, you have a ton of space back here, lots of leg end headroom. And if you need more storage, those seats do fold up. And center console folds down for a couple cup holders there and armrest. And rear tires and wheels, again, almost practically new like the front. Does have a nice molded mud flaps all the way around. Bring you around the back of the truck, you'll see it does have the tow package. Has the chrome step bumper. See, it does have the drop-in plastic bed liner. If you look at that side, and of course the seat folds up the same way as passenger side. And again, your full-length step tubes. Go ahead and give you a look at the interior. You'll see your power locks, windows, and mirrors are on your driver's door. Just inside that, you have your trailer control. You have your headlight switch and your interior dimmer. Hop in here, light the dash up for you. Show you the current mileage. And here we go. You'll see current mileage is 13,948. And on your steering wheel, you have your cruise control here to the left. And of course your airbag built in. Come over, we'll start up here. This is your display screen for your audio. You have AM, FM, of course. And we'll go down here. You have your controls for your heating, air conditioning, and front and rear defrost. Below that you have your cargo light and your traction control switch. And down on your floor, you will see it does have the lever style 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive selector with 4 high and 4 low. And your center console, you have a triple cup holder. You have some cubby space here. And a nice little tray here to lay your cell phone in. And you have a pretty deep center console here. And again, that folds up if you need room for another occupant. And passenger side airbag also. And I need to say this is a real nice clean truck. Inside it doesn't have any pet or smoke smell at all. Next thing I'm going to do is we're going to give you a look out under the engine bay. And you will see it's also nice and clean underneath the hood. That's a 5.3 liter V8 engine. Pretty stable engine for GMs and Chevys. Gets pretty good power. Fuel economy is decent also. You can expect to get around 20 to 22 miles on the highway. His numbers are down around 16, 17 around town, depending on your driving habits. You can hear it is a nice quiet running engine. Look at that lighting. And last thing we're going to do here on the video is I'm going to walk you around and give you a look at any blemishes that may be on this Sierra. We try to be real upfront about any damage at all or any imperfections, so if you're interested in coming out to look at it, you will see the same thing that we're looking at. There is a couple little scuffs on the bottom of the front valence. This is a real good looking truck. Nice bright red with the chrome trim. It really makes it eye-catching. There are a couple tiny little chips here and there. They're kind of hard to even show you on the video. It doesn't really show up very much. Very, very minor. All in all, if you're looking for a used truck that looks new, this is probably about as close as you're going to get. If you'd like to come out and take a look, maybe schedule a test drive, feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.